Benue State is one of the north-central states in Nigeria with a population of about 4,253,641 in 2006 census. It is inhabited predominantly by the Tiv, Idoma, Igede and Etulo peoples, who speak Tiv, Idoma, Igede and Etulo languages respectively. Its capital is Makurdi. Benue is a rich agricultural region. Popularly grown crops include oranges, mangoes, sweet potatoes, cassava, soya bean, guinea corn, flax, yams, sesame, rice, groundnuts, and palm tree. Benue State as it exists today is a surviving legacy of an administrative entity that was carved out of the Protectorate of Northern Nigeria at the beginning of the 20th century. The territory was initially known as Munshi Province until 1918 when the name of its dominant geographical feature, the Benue River, was adopted. Benue State is named after the Benue River and was formed from the former Benue Plateau State in 1976, along with Igala and some part of Kwara State. In 1991 some areas of Benue State, along with areas in Kwara State, were carved out to become part of the new Kogi State. Igbo people are found in the boundary areas like the Obi, Oju etc. Samuel Otom as the governor and Benson Abanu as the deputy governor. Both were elected under the All Progressives Congress but defected to the People's Democratic Party. In 2018, the state, which is located in the north-central region of Nigeria, has a total population of 4,253,641 in 2006 census, with an average population density of 99 persons per square kilometer. This makes Benue the 9th most populous state in Nigeria. However, the distribution of the population according to local government areas shows marked duality. There are areas of low population density, such as Guma, Gwa East, Ohimini, Katsina Ala, Upper, Logo and Agatu, each with less than 70 persons per square kilometer, while Wande Kyai, Okpokwu, Ogbagbo, Obi and Gaborko have densities ranging from 160 persons to 200 persons per square kilometer. Makurdi LGA has over 380 persons per square kilometer. The males are 49.8% of the total population while females constitute 50.2%. Benue State region was depleted of its human population during the slave trade. It is largely rural, with scattered settlements mainly in tiny compounds or homesteads, whose population range from 630 people, most of whom are farmers. Urbanization in Benue State did not predate the colonial era. The few towns established during colonial rule remained very small up to the creation of Benue State in 1976. Benue towns can be categorized into three groups. The first group consists of those with a population of 80,000 to 500,000 people. These include Makurdi, the state capital, Gaborko and Otukpo, the headquarters of the two dominant ethnic groups. The second group comprises towns with a population of between 20,000 and 50,000 people and includes Katsina Ala, Zaki Bing, Ukam, and Ardikpo, Kwande. These are all local government headquarters. The third category comprises towns with a population of 10,000 to 19,000 people and includes Wande Kyai, Lesal, Ihu, Naka, Attika, Eliade, Okparga, Iguma, Oju, Utonkong, Agbokolo, Wannune, Agborfo, Otukpa, Akbar and Korinya. Most of these towns are headquarters of recently created local government areas and or district headquarters or major market areas. Some of the headquarters of the newly created LGAs have populations of less than 10,000 people. Such places include say Agbaraba, Bajimba, Buruku, Idikpa, Obegaji and Obarikato. Apart from earth roads, schools, periodic markets and chemists, the rural areas are largely used for farming, relying on the urban centers for most of their urban needs. Benue State has no problem of capital city primacy. Rather, three towns stand out very clearly as important urban centers which together account for more than 70% of the social amenities provided in the state and almost all the industrial establishments. These centers are Makurdi, Gaborko and Otukpo. They are amongst the oldest towns in the state and are growing at a much faster rate than the smaller younger towns. Makurdi doubles as the capital of the state and the headquarters of Makurdi LGA. while Gaborko, Otukpo and Oju double as the local government and ethnic headquarters. All the roads in the state radiate from these three centers. As an administrative unit, Benue State was first created on 3 February 1976. It was one of the 7 states created by the military administration headed by General Murtala Muhammad, which increased the number of states in the country from 13 to 19. In 1991, its boundaries were readjusted with the creation of Kogi State. The new Benue State of today has 23 local government areas, which are administered by local government councils. Benue State lies within the lower river Benue Trough in the Middle Belt region of Nigeria. Its geographic coordinates are longitude 7 degrees 47, and 10 degrees 0, east latitude 6 degrees 25, and 8 degrees 8, north, and shares boundaries with 5 other states namely, Nasarawa State to the north, Taraba State to the east,